What does it take to build a farm on top of a building in New York City? Today we're diving into the story behind Gotham Greens, the pioneering company turning city rooftops into sustainable high-tech farms. Back in 2011, Gotham Greens launched its very first rooftop greenhouse, a 15,000 square foot farm in Greenpoint, Brooklyn. It was the first of its kind in the US, a fully commercial hydroponic greenhouse perched above a warehouse. The funding? A mix of private investors, small business loans, and a $400,000 grant from NYSERDA, New York's energy authority. But here's the twist: the total cost, never officially revealed. Fast forward to 2013, Gotham Greens built a second greenhouse, this time 20,000 square feet, right on top of the Whole Foods in Gowanus, Brooklyn. Again, Gotham Greens paid for everything. No city funding, no joint venture, just private investment and engineering muscle. Yet once again, no public cost breakdown. Still, we can estimate. A later project, a much larger 75,000 square foot greenhouse in Chicago, cost about $8 million to build. So if we do the math, that's around $100, $110 per square foot, which means the Brooklyn facilities may have cost somewhere between $1.50 to $3 million each. But let's be clear, these are estimates. The company never confirmed these numbers. Why all the secrecy? Like many private companies, Gotham Greens chooses not to reveal full investment numbers. But what we do know is this: they were early movers. They combined clean energy, local food, and urban design, and they proved it could work on rooftops, not just farmland. So while we may not have every dollar and cent, one thing's clear: Gotham Greens didn't just grow lettuce. They planted the future of urban agriculture, right on top of New York City. What do you think? Should more cities go green on their rooftops? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories on sustainable innovation.